What's going on, guys? David here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create descriptions and titles for your YouTube videos or other social media platforms out there like TikTok and whatever, okay? So let's jump right into it. I have a video out there called Create a Trading View Indicator using ChatGPT. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit the three buttons here that says Show Transcript. We're going to toggle timestamp and we're going to copy the entire transcript of the video, all right? Boom. Copy. Then go into ChatGPT and say, create a description for my YouTube video from its transcript, okay? Paste the transcript in there, hit enter, let it do its magic. It says, in this video, David walks the viewer through how to create a custom technical indicator using ChatGPT and Pine script for trading Tesla stock or any stock. So, boom, perfect. So let that run. It created the description. Now we can say, create a title for the description. And now we have a description for our video. It says, create a custom trading view indicator for Tesla using ChatGPT and Pine script, a step-by-step guide. Boom! How wonderful is that? So let's copy the title here. Paste it in there. Copy that description. Paste it in there. Save it. Cannot resolve errors. Okay, oh, look at that. We got 101 out of 100. So let's say change the title to fit 100 characters. So let that run. It's going to create something different, building a custom trading view indicator for Tesla with ChatGPT and Pine script, a step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's see. That's still 103 characters. That is 103 characters. Can you make the title under 100 characters long? Let's see if ChatGPT can fix this. Create a custom trading view indicator. Okay, let's see. There we go. Exactly 100 characters. Create a custom trading view indicator with ChatGPT and Pine script for Tesla, a step-by-step guide. Boom. Save it. Now let's jump over here. Update it. All right, look, we got a really long title here, which that could be good or bad for you depending on how you want to see it. And then we got this wonderful description made by ChatGPT. All right, that's it. That's how simple it is. All you do is you grab the transcript from your video, put it in ChatGPT, and have ChatGPT create you the description and the title for your videos. And it's most likely SEO friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.